how to pronounce Chinese aspirated sounds. There are 6 of them. Let's use our chart to find them first. So we have p, t, k, h, ch, t. So it's a sound plus tiny little sound. Usually it's really helpful to use a piece of paper to practice these sounds. And if your paper is moving, you're doing it right. Let's try it together. You ready? Nice. And of course, in the very beginning of your learning process, you want to exaggerate a little bit, yes? Nice job! Please find a free link of the chart attached below and don't forget to follow me.